Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to play music on YouTube in the background. But before we start, remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and click on the bell. So let's start. First of all, in order to play music from YouTube in the background, we will need to open our browser on our phone. This method will most likely work on any browser, however I would suggest using Google Chrome because I'm sure that it will work on this browser. So let's open Google Chrome and then we need to go to youtube.com. After you go to youtube.com, we can find the video that we would like to play in the background, the music that we want to play in the background. So after we open this music, we need to click in the right top corner on those three dots and then scroll down until we see desktop side. When we see it, we need to click on this square on the right side of it. This will open YouTube in the desktop mode. Once it opens, it can go back to the channel or maybe it will stay on the video. It depends on the browser we're using. We can zoom in. We can find the video that we want by using the search button up here, or we can simply just choose one of the videos we've got here. So I'm gonna open this video and I'm gonna play it. So while we are in desktop mode and the video is playing, it should also play in the background. Let me show you. I click home. So when we hit home, the music stops playing. In order to play it in the background, all we have to do is scroll down from the top of the screen, and as you can see over here, there is a player from Google Chrome with my last video, the last video that I played. So if we want to play music in the background, all we have to do is click play over here, and right now, as you can hear in the background, the music from YouTube is already playing, and we can do whatever we want on our phone. So this is how we play music in the background on YouTube. If this video was helpful, remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!